Julius Malema and the EFF to first exhaust internal processes before taking National Assembly Speaker Baleka Mbete to court. In the past 20 years, de Lille is the only other person ever threatened with suspension from Parliament.
Trying to turn the tables. The EFF has given the Speaker an ultimatum of its own. Confirm by noon on Sunday that she won't suspend them or face an urgent court order. But de Lille cautions against overhastiness. Back in 1997, she came under fire for accusing ANC MPs of spying for the apartheid government. She went on to call them by name in the House. Later, she successfully fended off a 15-day suspension in court.
My advice to them is premature to go to the court now, but rather write back to the Speaker and request the Speaker to establish an ad hoc committee, because they must be afforded an opportunity to state their side of the case.
De Lille says the Speaker should keep a cool head and avoid action she may later regret.
I don't think the Speaker is correct to ask them to provide reasons why they must be suspended. She must follow due process by establishing an ad hoc committee to investigate the allegations against them. That ad hoc committee must then come and make recommendations to Parliament. It's only Parliament that can take the final decision.
Meanwhile, a constitutional expert believes the Speaker may have exceeded her powers.
He can only be suspended in terms of the rules if it is the allegation is of such a serious nature, or if there's a threat that he may interfere with witnesses or with evidence. I don't think either of those circumstances exist, and therefore it would seem that there are insufficient grounds for Mr. Malema, not just Mr. Malema, but all 25 MPs of the Economic Freedom Fighters to be suspended from Parliament.
The Speaker earlier declined to respond to the EFF's ultimatum. Lukhano Khalada, SABC News, Parliament.